Hi guys, this is the part 2 of the poem Ode to the West Wind. In the part 1, I discussed the summary of the poem, but only first 3 stanzas were there. Why? Because the video was becoming too long. So in that, if I tell you what did we do in that video, in that we saw the effects of west wind on earth, sky and ocean as well. And now we are going to conclude this poem. So let's see stanza 4th and 5th of this poem. And I have given the link of first part in the description box, so go and check it out. So let's start this video. Watch the video till end, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, do subscribe it. So let's get start this video. In the 4th stanza, what happens we see, and the topic can be, or the title can be, Appeal to the West Wind. So in the 4th stanza, Shelley addresses his prayers to the west wind. Enthralled by the swiftness and strength of the wind, he wishes to be lifted and borne on the river of its strength. So it's in a form of prayer. I told you that the first 3 paragraphs were about the effects of west wind, and now in the concluding paragraphs or concluding stanzas like 4th and 5th, he makes a prayer to west wind, and he is enthralled. He is super excited by seeing the swiftness of and strength of the west wind. And what does he pray? What does he wish for? He wishes to be lifted and borne, or to be carried on the river of its strength. And he asks west wind to carry him over the river of its strength, because it is so strong, it is so powerful. And poet says that he has grown weak and feels this life is a burden on him, as he expresses in this line. So through this line we can understand that he feels burdened, and this is why he wants to take the help of west wind, and he wants strength from west wind. He says, I fall upon the thorns of life, I bleed. Now what's more in this stanza, this is an outpouring of his anguish and suffering. So this is like an outburst of his anguish. He feels anxiety, he has sufferings in this world. So he talks about all these things to west wind. The torture borne by the spiritual idealist in a world of indifference, and he is a spiritual idealist, and in this world of indifference when nobody cares, and he feels tortured. In his boyhood he was tameless, swift, uncontrollable and proud like the west wind, but time has chained and bowed his spirit. Now the time has chained him. He feels controlled, and his spirit has been bowed down, so he doesn't feel the freedom. He is in sore need of strength. He is in immediate need of strength, total need of strength. So he is very eager to share the impulse of the west wind and appeal to it to lift him as a wave, a leaf, a cloud, whatever is the choice of west wind. So he wants freedom, he wants strength. And now the 5th or the concluding stanza, it can be titled as Message of Hope and Invincible Optimism. So it gives a message of hope and invincible, that means one which cannot be taken. And that kind of optimism is shown in this poem, or in this last stanza. At the end, from his personal self he passes on to the universe. So we saw that he was being personal in the 4th stanza. He was talking about himself only. Now he talks about the universe, or the inhabitants of this universe. He seeks a complete merging of his spirit into the spirit of west wind. So complete merging or amalgamation he wants of his spirit into the spirit of west wind. He appeals to the west wind to make him its lyre. Lyre is an is a musical instrument, and just as the forest is. So in the poem, West Wind is using forest as his lyre or its lyre. So like this, he also wanted to be used. He wants to get rid of his dead thoughts, because only then new thoughts can arise in him. So when the spirit of his will be empty, then only the new thoughts can come or can arise in him. Now, in this stanza only, what more is given? He has a message of hope for mankind and requests the west wind to spread it in the whole of the world. Okay, so this hope should be scattered or should be there in the mind of whole of the world, just like ashes and sparks are scattered from the fireplace which has not been extinguished as yet. Okay, so the fireplace, what happens when the fire is about to be extinguished but not fully, so ashes and sparks are scattered in the around the fireplace. So like this, he is also asking that hope should be there in the mind or around all the people of this world. Perhaps it may bring about the regeneration of human face. Okay, so this is the very big responsibility which can be performed by West Wind, that he can regenerate the human race. The message he likes to convey to the suffering mankind is, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? And it is a very famous quote, motivational quote, and it says that if winter comes, if darkness comes, if lethargy comes, can spring be far behind? Spring, that means full of life and lots of happiness, joy, and we can say brightness. So if winter is coming, if the obstacles are coming, then surely after some time the path will be made for us. So on this concluding line, this poem gets finished. And what does it say? Again, the meaning is given here in the poem through some of the lines of the stanza. The optimistic message, no doubt, is the mighty prophecy of hope and faith. So this line says or gives hope and faith in the triumph of love and spirit over tyranny and forces of darkness. Okay, so if tyranny and forces of darkness are coming in our way, may the triumph of love and spirit will surely come, and it will win over these things. This prophecy is the message to man of the rebirth of the soul. Okay, so for the rebirth of the soul, it is a message to all the men in this world and to the mankind, we can say, and this gives a great hope and faith in mankind through this west wind. Okay, so this was the last stanza, the concluding stanza, stanza number 5 of this poem. Go in the description box, check it out, the first video, the part 1 of this poem, Ode to the West Wind. There you will get stanza 1, 2, 3 for sure, and some other videos will also be there. The links will be given, so if you like to see these videos, do check it out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.